Yo homies, I got another ghetto unboxing for you. It just come in the mail this morning. It's in a box. This is probably the world premiere of this product. Give me 1 second. So open this top thing. Shit. Now opening, let me get the scissors. I got some scissors right here. But don't really. I got the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1. But you know what's unique about this one is the 4G version. So it's running on the 4G network. So it's, on this side of the box it says Android, Wi-Fi certified, ABGN, Bluetooth 3.0, www.samsung.com, Galaxy Tab 10.1 Samsung. No information. On the back it says Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1, 10.1 inch WXGA display, 1280 by 800 resolution TFT, dual core 1 GHz processor, 3 megapixel back camera, 2 megapixel front camera, HD recording and playback, 7000 milliamp hour battery. This is the model number, the GT P7500, 16 gigabytes. YouTube, Google Maps, Android Market, trademark of Google Inc. Thinner, lighter, faster, lightning fast browsing experience, only 0.34 inch thin, ultra light Galaxy Tab 10.1. So I'm gonna undo the seal with. Let me get something to do that with. I'll take a little screwdriver over here. I got a little screwdriver. Open this shit, man. It's unlocked. In Canada, you could get 21 megabytes per second on 4G networks. I think some of the LTE networks are a little faster. But I think the Canada providers are. So I'm going to open the box and see what's popping. So Galaxy Tab 10.1, Android, Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, GPS. I'll go over the hardware. It's really thin. You got a little proprietary connection in the bottom, a little microphone in the bottom. You got a little speaker on the side. You got 3.5 millimeter jack on the front. Power button, volume rocker, SIM card slot. That's how we do it. My battery's almost gonna go, so I'm gonna do it really fast. What's in the box? Basically, in the box you got a quick start guide, you got a SIM card, you got a USB cable for the proprietary connection on the Samsung, you got the charger. It's bigger than the standard 5-volt charger, and then you got the adapter for the charger. That's basically what you got. And you also got some earphones over here. I'm gonna start it up. Put the SIM card in. I'm gonna start it up, put the SIM card in, and we'll see how it goes. Maybe charge my battery a little bit too. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe if you wanna. You know my homeboy Ali, he's always keeping it gangsta with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4G 10.1. You know what I'm talking about? First 4G tablet on the market. Peace out.